I'm excited to have something in Spanish that tells Latinos how to build their business, how to grow, how to get funding, what to do. We don't have this in many places. This event's important because in the future, Latinos are going to be one of the biggest demographics that there are. We're already out there trying. We're already part of the fabric of this country, and we need this.
These small business events are amazing because they're great to engage the small business community. And remember that the backbone of communities like Lawrence, Lynn, Springfield, Chelsea is the Latino community. So this is doing an amazing effort and it's helping out all of the small businesses in the Commonwealth.
Yo vine aquí a esta cumbre latina con 4 emprendedoras como yo para que tengamos conocimiento y ahorremos tiempo en cómo abrir nuestros emprendimientos.
Me voy con muchísimos recursos y muy inspirada para de verdad fortalecer mi negocio.
I'm so proud that Comcast Business is here, helping to support all these small businesses and helping them grow. My favorite part of this role is watching all of these businesses get 2, 3, 4 locations. Amazing.
Muchas gracias a Alberto y al Mundo Boston por la oportunidad de enseñarnos muchísimas cosas que tal vez teníamos el conocimiento de algunas, pero de otras no.